What would you do if one small accident changed your entire life overnight? This is the story of Daniel, a normal guy who never thought a simple mistake could land him in a hospital bed fighting for his future. Daniel was 27. He worked long hours, barely slept, and always ignored small problems. One night, after a long shift, he was walking home, tired, distracted, scrolling on his phone. He didn't notice the broken glass on the street. Suddenly, he stepped on it. At first, he thought it was nothing, just a small cut. No big deal, he told himself. But sometimes the smallest problems become the biggest ones. The next morning, Daniel woke up in pain. His foot was swollen, red, and he could barely walk. Still, he ignored it. Days passed, the pain got worse, the wound got deeper, and then fever started. That's when Daniel rushed to the hospital. Doctors immediately took him in. His heartbeat was unstable. His blood pressure was dropping. The doctor looked serious. "You waited too long," she said. The infection had spread. What started as a small cut was now a dangerous condition. Daniel lay on the hospital bed, scared, silent. Machines beeped around him. He couldn't stop thinking, why didn't I take it seriously? The medical team prepared for treatment. They cleaned the wound, carefully removing the damaged area, trying to stop the infection from spreading further. It wasn't easy, it wasn't quick, but slowly things began to change. Days later, Daniel opened his eyes, feeling better. The pain was less. The infection was under control. For the first time, he smiled. He realized something important. Health is not something you ignore. Small problems are not always small, and sometimes life gives you a second chance, but not always. Daniel walks out of the hospital, a different person, stronger, wiser.